So for today's video, I'm going to be playing with the new ColourPop in Emerald Away little jewel palette. I think these launched about a month ago, but I just haven't gotten a chance to play with them. So I asked on my Instagram story which of the 6 palettes do you want to see a video with, and Emerald won by a long shot. So this is what we're using today. I am still getting used to my new filming setup with my lighting and stuff, so if things look a little bit off, that's why. I'm working on it, but let me know your thoughts on this lighting. And let's get started. My eye is already primed with the Rare Beauty eyeshadow primer, and I set that with the translucent powder. I'm gonna start with the Sigma E25 in this matte shade right here, and I'm gonna start by kind of pressing that into my crease. The shade is really pretty. It almost has a slate blue undertone to it. Now I'm just going to take a little skin tone colored shadow and just softly blend around these edges. Honestly, the edges don't look too harsh, which is really nice, but I just want it to be a little bit more blended. Now I'm going to take a Sigma E42 in the darker matte shade. I think I want to do a little halo eye, so I'm going to place this on the outer and inner corner of my eye. Now I'm gonna kind of relax my eye a bit, and my crease slightly folds over, so I'm gonna bring up this darker shade just slightly higher. It's kind of funny how blue this look is turning out. Like, I swear I'm using the Emerald palette. Just looks bluer than I thought it would. I'm gonna go back to my E25 and just softly blend around these edges again. Now for my lid, I think I'm gonna layer both of the shimmer shades. So I'm gonna take a Sigma E54 and I'm gonna wet it with some setting spray. And I'm gonna pick up the darker shimmer shade first. And I'm gonna place that on the blank part in the center of my lid. The shade looks kind of like a duochrome. It's really pretty. See, this looks green. Love that shimmer, that is gorgeous. And then I'm gonna take the lighter shimmer just on my finger. I'm just gonna pop that right in the center. That is so pretty. Now for my lower lash line, I'm gonna go back to the E42 and this matte shade, and I'm just gonna blend that along my entire lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take a Sigma E21 with the darker matte. The sun is coming in, sorry it's a little bright. And I'm running this blue along the base of my lower lash line. Kind of like right where your lashes grow in. Okay, the sun is finally gone. I am so sorry for all the lighting changes in this video, but I'm working with it. Like I said, it's a new setup. All right, so to finish the look, I'm gonna take my favorite highlighter and just pop that in my inner corner. And I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes. All right, I popped on my mascara and lashes, and for my lashes, I'm wearing my brand, the Bright Lashes, and I'm wearing the style All Naturel. And here's the look all completed. I think it turned out really pretty. The shades in this palette are gorgeous, but I feel like they're not super green, which is like kind of a good and a bad thing. It makes me want to look at the Sapphire palette now, like how blue, I guess, yeah. This is the sapphire one. So this is emerald, the one I used today, and this one is sapphire. Next to each other, this definitely does look green, but I feel like on its own, it looks more like a bluish green. It's still super pretty though, and I feel like you could do this look that I did with pretty much any of these little jewel palettes. You know, take the darkest shade on the outer corner, blend it with the other matte shade, and then just layer the two shimmers in the center of the lid. It's a pretty easy, like, go-to style of look, but it always looks so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.